In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find where a Steam game is installed. This is a simple process that takes just a few clicks, and it's really useful if you need to access the game's files. For example, to install a mod, drop in a custom configuration, or troubleshoot an issue. I'll walk you through it clearly, and I'll also point out what you'll see so you know you're in the right place. Start by opening Steam. Give it a moment to load your account and library. If you already have Steam running, make sure you're on the main window rather than a pop-up or a game overlay. Next, go to your library. You'll find this at the top of the Steam window. Once you're in the library view, you'll see your list of games on the left. Find the game you're looking for in that list. Now, you can scroll or type the game's name into the search bar to narrow it down. Now, right-click the game. You can right-click its name in the list on the left or its larger tile in the main area. Either one works. A context menu will appear with several options. From that menu, click Manage. This opens a small submenu with a few management options related to that specific game. Then select Browse Local Files. As soon as you click this, your operating system's file manager will open directly to the game's installation folder. On Windows, that's File Explorer. On Mac OS, it's Finder. On Linux, it will be your default file manager. You'll be looking at the exact folder where the game's executable and core files live. Take a second to look at the address bar or path at the top of the window. That shows you precisely where the game is installed on your drive. If you need to share that location with someone or save it for later, you can copy that path from the address bar. This is also a good time to create a shortcut or a bookmark to this folder if you plan to return to it frequently. A quick tip, be cautious when changing or deleting anything in this folder. Removing the wrong file can break the game. If you're adding mods or custom files, follow the developers or mod creators' instructions carefully. Also, keep in mind that some games store save data in a different location, so if you don't see saves here, that's normal. And that's it. Open Steam, go to your library, right-click the game, choose Manage, and select Browse Local Files. You'll be at the installation folder in seconds.